Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another Theme Park Obsession video. My name is Dylan and this is my friend Sarah.
Hi!
And we have made it to SeaWorld San Diego for the grand opening, the media preview for Emperor, this all-new dive coaster. I mean, this is amazing. I'm super stoked. We can't wait to ride. So, how about you and I dive right in. Oh, look at this out front of Emperor. They have this nice beautiful sign. The penguin diving down just like he will on the coaster. It's beautiful little ice sculptures on the side here. More penguins. And yeah, this will be the entrance to Emperor. It's just right by Journey to Atlantis and Electric Eel. So Electric Eel is right over here. Journey of Atlantis off to the left of this view. Of course, it's down at the moment. They are refurbishing it. But yeah, super easy to find, and you walk down this pathway right here and you're at the front of the attraction. And of course, they're gonna have a bunch of tasty treats here as well for you. So before you dive on in, you can get yourself a little pretzel. And look at this, they have a pretty awesome photo op, and Drew and Carter are showing it off in their penguin onesies. But this is cool because they have all the ride stats on there. Oh, there it is. Emperor. The tallest, the longest, and the fastest dive coaster in California is finally ready for us. After a little bit of a break there. Oh man, I am super excited for this. This looks a lot of fun. We've been hearing it run and it sounds buttery smooth. And over here at the front of the attraction, they do have a test seat. Sarah, why don't you show off the test seat there? There we go, yeah. Let's see if Sarah can make the cut here. By the way, the restraints are the really comfy ones on this. Solid.
Watch this.
Oh, I love the automatic release there. That's nice. But the test seat, yeah, I'm glad they have the test seats out here. Because yeah, you know, for some of the larger guests that are not really sure how this is going to fit, it's nice to have something like this out here. Oh, there they go up the lift hill. That thing travels so fast up the hill. It's pretty incredible. Oh, and there it goes to the edge where it holds you there for a little bit, just like Sheikra and Val Raven. Oh, there it goes. That looks so awesome. I really love the attraction sign too. Emperor diving down just like you do off that first drop. Also has the wait time sign up there as well. So when you walk up to the attraction, you know how long you're gonna be waiting. There's really not much queue here, so I wouldn't suspect this is gonna be a really long line, just because there's 2 trains on this and they hold 6 people per row. So that's not bad. That's actually a pretty good capacity roller coaster. So I wouldn't think that this one's gonna have a really long wait. You know, something like Electric Eel, that one takes a little bit longer just because there's only 1 train on the track doing its thing, whereas here there's 2. Now remember, you have to put your loose articles in a locker here. You cannot bring anything on the attraction. So Sarah's gonna demonstrate that. She goes, putting it in the locker. Type in your little code there.
What was my code? Don't forget your code.
Don't forget your code, and then there we go. All of our loose articles are right in there. Boom. You are ready for Emperor. Oh, you gotta type in your code again to open it back up.
6.
Oh no, she locked it again. Okay. Yeah, do not do this when you come to the park. Oh, there we go, there we go. Then you put your stuff in the locker like that. And yeah, you're pretty much good to go. You're ready to ride Emperor. Super excited for this one now that we have our loose articles in the locker ready to go. You can bring a GoPro on the attraction. You have to have a wrist mount or a chest strap. Just remember that. That's for all the coasters at SeaWorld. But this one, you know, compact layout, but you know what? These compact layout coasters always pack a punch. So I think that's what, you know, are you a little nervous for that? You think it's good?
Luckily though, we have penguins here to help save them.
Yeah, we have the penguins here to help.
Cute they are. Aren't they cuddly?
Yeah, they're
so cute and cuddly.
Always gotta love the penguins.
Worth the wait.
Oh yeah. If you are over 78 inches, unfortunately you cannot ride Emperor. And if you are under the 52-inch mark, I'll see Sarah's good. Sarah's good. And you're also good with this one. Yep, you made it over the 52-inch height limit. See, I'm glad they have these out here in the front. Yeah, see, this is what happens to loose articles. And yes, if you're wondering, This does have an on-ride photo, so make sure to smile, make your best penguin face. All right, Sarah, show us your penguin face. And what's neat is, just like all the attractions at all the SeaWorld parks, they have some fun facts while you're waiting in line. Obviously, all of these facts are about emperor penguins. I mean, come on, how cute are they?
Penguin spotting.
It's a penguin spotting here.
So cute.
It's an emperor penguin. Now, these trains are a little bit smaller than something like Valraven, like at Cedar Point, but nonetheless, again, these smaller coasters pack a punch. Okay, we've made it on to Emperor at SeaWorld San Diego. How exciting. Sarah, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah, Sarah doesn't really do these things.
No.
But you know what, why not? Okay, here we go.
What do I grab onto? Oh, my skirt.
Yeah, grab onto the skirt.
Yeah, or else you're gonna say something.
Because we're gonna go 60 miles an hour. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. We're holding on here, and we're gonna dive down. It's happening. Oh! 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 Oh, yes! Woo! Oh, it's so smooth. It's so, oh, here we go. Whee! Oh. Oh, that was good. That was really good. Oh, man. Wasn't that great? All right, we just got off Emperor. What'd you think?
It's pretty good. It's really smooth. So
yeah, no, a lot smoother than what we were thinking.
Right. It doesn't make you hit your head or anything like that.
This one is probably one of my favorite dive coasters. Sarah's first dive coaster ever.
I thought I've been on a dive coaster. Apparently not.
This is a true dive.
That thing, I've never felt anything like that before.
Isn't that cool?
It's kind of wild.
Yeah, it's really cool how it hangs you over the edge there for a little bit, and then you just dive straight down vertical to the ground. It's really cool.
My hair survived.
And hey, the hair survived. You know, we had such a blast on that first ride that we're gonna do it again. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so good in the front though. Oh man.
That's actually more fun in the front.
It's better in the front. We're not gonna really get the hang, but we're gonna get the airtime here over the edge. Yeah, here we go. The back and the front are like the best. Okay, so we've done it a total of 3 times now. I think you passed out on that last one.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, well, let's play back that replay real quick.
Yeah, you tell me.
No, that was good though. This is a clear winner for the park. I mean, it's a solid coaster, super smooth. The inversions are fantastic, and it just hauls through its course like crazy.
So fast getting up there. It's kind of insane.
That is honestly one of the big takeaways too, is how quickly it gets up the hill. It's incredible. Now we've made it up to the exit ramp right here. Nice, beautiful exit ramp, by the way. Shout out to the exit ramp builders. But we're waiting for our Emperor Penguin friends to take a spin on the attraction.
This is the last one.
This is the last one for today. We've gotten our rides in, so we're gonna send one more train. And this train's also gonna have like the producers and everything on it from the media event. So yeah, again, huge shout out to SeaWorld San Diego for inviting us out. Yeah, incredibly grateful for SeaWorld and all the theme parks that invite us out to all these media events. Are so much fun, and yeah, this roller coaster is an absolute blast. If you're coming for the grand opening, you will not be disappointed. This is so much fun, and it's a brilliant addition to the park. Have fun! Oh, there go our penguins. And what's really nice at the very tippity top there you have a beautiful view of the ocean. Just kind of like rounds out the experience. All right. Whee! Oh yeah, so much fun. But with that, I think we're gonna slowly close out the afternoon. I think this is gonna be a real big winner for the park. Electric Eel, Manta, Journey to Atlantis, and now Emperor, they all round out this really good experience here at SeaWorld San Diego. And I'm so happy that they're building all of these really cool, thrilling rides here. So it's not just the animal experiences that they have, which are absolutely amazing here, but they're also building all these fantastic new roller coasters. So this is becoming a new thrill park for a lot of coaster enthusiasts, and I think it's so much fun. And here are the stars of the show. There are the penguins themselves. You know, I wonder if these guys have gone on the coaster. You know, I know they don't meet the height requirement, but maybe they have like a special pass because they're penguins and the ride is, you know, themed to penguins. Oh wow, this penguin is massive. He is the Emperor. Oh, there's
look at this.
Oh, the shake. They're pretty cute. They are cute. Yeah, some of these guys are huge.
Yeah, those are the Emperor.
Yeah, these are the big Emperor penguins. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video from SeaWorld San Diego. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel and you love creatures, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so stay up to date on every time I post new videos. So much fun at SeaWorld San Diego today, riding Emperor. A brand new coaster, super smooth. It's pretty intense for what it is. Remember, don't let the small compact layout fool you. This thing packs a punch and is a fantastic addition to the park. I mean, SeaWorld is definitely bringing in some amazing coasters, and I cannot wait for the next one, whenever that may be. Who knows? I have an Instagram account, and so does Sarah. I'll leave both of our links down below in the description. Be sure to check them out because we post there all the time.
Check us out.
Oh yeah. But until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.